2017 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, 6.4 liter V8 of full horsepower.
That thing got a Hemi?
Yes, sir. It's got catalytic converters right there and right there. Then a factory X pipe. Then we got something real special. The customer brought in a Northeastern exhaust stainless steel. Part number is JFP 300. They're basically like Dynamax bullets, but with a what was that?
It's like a mix between a Dynamax and a 10 series.
A mix between a Dynamax and a 10 series. So we will let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Okay, it's still got the baffles, factory baffles. That's what it is. It's got one center baffle in it. That's the word I was looking for. My mind went blank. Still got the rear mufflers or resonators still on it. They didn't want it too loud. And we took off 2 Super 10s we put on about 3 years ago. Show you our work. It still looks good even 3 years later. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Wow. Sound baffle? Sound baffle. Wow. 115. Do it again. That thing screams. Oh, wow. It's definitely a different sound. Man, I like that. It's smooth. It's not raspy at all. Let you guys hear on the inside. They're pretty in white, man. Yeah. Okay. Perfect license plate too. Nice.